Telecommunications cable jointers can work with copper cables or with fiber optic cables. When working with fiber optic cables, they're known as fiber splicers. This telecommunications company provides various fiber optic cabling services to different types of businesses, and their fiber splice technicians are responsible for splicing or repairing fiber optic cables for high-speed broadband internet. They do this out in the field or in a client's premises. Fiber splice technicians need to connect the fiber optic cables from point A to point B or from one building to another. They establish new connections and repair damaged connections as well, ensuring the link adheres to a high quality and standard. This is crucial as the systems providing the broadband service need a high quality fiber connection to run without errors. Every day, the fiber splice technician receives a splicing instruction sheet from his manager, who coordinates multiple teams of splicers. This sheet indicates to the splicer at which point to splice and specified which fibers should be used to ensure the shortest link between 2 points. He will head out to the location in his mobile van to carry out the work detailed in the instruction sheet. When at the location, he will access the fiber optic cables which have been laid underground. The fibers are color-coded for easier identification. Checking his splicing instruction sheet, the fiber splice technician then isolates the correct cables to be joined. Using hand tools, he removes the plastic covering and then wipes them clean with alcohol. Fiber optic cables are made of glass and are fragile. They will break easily if not handled with care. The fibers are now ready for cleaving, a process that involves neatly cutting the fiber with an optic fiber cleaver. He cuts away the damaged part and then inserts the cleaved fibers in the fusion splicer. The fusion splicer now checks the cleaved angles and aligns the two fibers. When the fibers are aligned, it splices them. After the fibers are spliced, the machine will indicate if the fiber was spliced properly. A splice protector is now placed over the spliced point to protect it from breaking. The fiber is inserted back in the joint and the joint is secured in the manhole. When all splicing is completed, the splicer will test the fibers from point to point with an OTDR, a machine that sends a signal through the fiber. The signal determines if there are any faults on the fiber and the fiber's distance. To become a fiber splice technician, you must have a matric certificate, be certified through the Fiber Optic Association, and have a valid driver's license. There are also other pathways into this career. Starting as a fiber splice assistant, you can empower yourself and with the necessary knowledge and experience, take the CFOT test to become a splicer. All roles have the potential for progression. Fiber splice technicians will work in many different types of environments, both clean and dirty, and therefore need to be patient, meticulous, and dedicated.